Yo, what's good, B? I am back, and today I am doing a trade recap on the trade that I took yesterday. I actually took two trades yesterday and lost one of them while winning the other one. And let's get right into it. So I'm just gonna show these were the two trades that I took yesterday, and yeah, like you can see, I lost the 340. I lost 340 on Nasdaq. Yeah, look at this, Nasdaq. And then I took another trade on the S&P 500, which is the ES futures, S&P 500 futures, and yeah, we won that trade. I should have. Well, I'll just get into the trade and then I'll talk about what I should have done better. Because look at this price action. You see these arrows. This is the trade that I took on took yesterday. My bad. So I'm kind of confused. Should I actually? You know what? Actually, I should do the quick Nasdaq trade that I lost yesterday. So you can see this is the London low. That's the Asian low. That's the London low. Hey. So that's the Asian low. Okay, because see this orange, and then they overlap with the single candle right here. And yeah, and then there's um, what? This should be the London high. Yeah, that's actually London high. Then we have the Asian high right there. Okay, I'm not gonna like remove my drawings for today because this is for today. Because as I'm speaking, prices are forming up a little bit, but either way. So yesterday, um, we actually swept the Asian low, which got me into thinking that hey, Asian session, like ripped the price to the downside, and we might be reversing in the New York session, while the London session was just like what's the word for that, bro? I'm so lost for words today. Um, consolidating this. Okay, so London session was consolidating while Asian session ripped to the downside, which brings me to the idea that we might reverse on the New York session, in the New York session. So, with that thinking, as you can see, you see this, like this was the Asian session low, this is the London session low. I'm just marking out for it. But then, look at this. You see this? This was like a liquidity sweep for me. Then break of structure with this huge ass candle. And then it went up, right? Break of structure. And then if we make this like this, price came into the equilibrium. You see this? I went long on the Nasdaq, like right here. So you see how this candle wicked it. This also kind of wicked it. So with that, I was like, okay, I might probably go long. And on the 1 minute, like on the 1 minute, I yo okay. On the 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. See, this was the sweep, and then we did break structure to the upside with this candle right here. Okay, but I was still like biased that should I go long, and so I kind of waited for price to come back. I just waited for no fucking reason. I should have just entered like here, somewhere here. But then I entered off of this candle, like right here. and then my stop loss was here. I was gonna target these highs, 1:5, right? But guess what? I got stopped out with this fucking candle. You see that the stop loss is like perfectly there, and I got stopped out. Just a $300 loss. That's fine. $340. That's totally fine. Okay. And then actually, what I should have done is going short on the fucking. So why I should have gone short is, yo, let me pause this. All right, back at it. Let me put the music back in. I'm gonna listen to this one again. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so why I should have gone short. Look at this fair value gap. Okay. Prices came into this fair value gap, fucking dropped. Go on the 5-minute. Okay. You see how it kind of like reacting off of it, and then it broke structure. Then guess what? There's a fair value gap right here on the 5-minute. Alright. This was kind of a liquidity sweep, I wouldn't say. Yeah. Anyways, came into the fair value gap, which was created during the Asian session. And you see how it kind of reacted off of it, like it didn't want to go above the fair value gap. So that is kind of a confirmation that the prices will go down or whatever direction. So the price tap into this fair value gap, then we create two fair value gaps actually, but we get this breakout structure with this candle, and then usually this, like the nearest fair value gap gets hit and then prices react off of it, is a good, you know, indication that the price will continue down, or continue the trend that it's currently in. So with this, drop into the 1-minute. You see this, how it tapped into it, then it broke structure with this candle, right? Go short. You know, which candle? Low. Yep, low. Low. Yeah, would have gone short with that candle right there. Stop loss above the fair value gap. Targeting what? Targeting this new low which was formed during New York session. 1:2. Fucking brilliant. See, I know this is a bit too much for my risk. Like 1K is a bit too much. So I would have probably kept my stop loss like around, like at the top of this fair value gap, which in turn would give me still a fucking $1,000 at risk there. And that should be fine, cause I don't know, dude, like, go back to the 5-minute. I wouldn't have taken this trade cause it's still more than my risk for a single day, like 1,000. I usually risk 900 to 800 per trade and per day. This is probably too much, so I wouldn't take. That's why I fucking took the trade on the S&P 500. Okay, let me just remove this so I'm not confused during today's session, because I don't want to redo every fucking line. Okay. Alright. So for yesterday, we have our Well, actually, these Asian and London session didn't matter. What mattered was this liquidity right here. You see this, there's a gap which was filled during the Asian session. And then there's also another fair value gap which was created during the um, Asian session or yesterday. So these were like two major confluence off of which I took this trade. Went down to the 5 minute. Let's go. Okay, my bad. I really need music before I work. Or do some shit. You come on, play. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so you see this. The price did go up and close above the fair value gap, right? And then also took out this liquidity, but that was like kind of a liquidity sweep on the 1 hour. I know this is not a good confluence, but with that, there was like confirmation with this breakout structure that prices are gonna go down, right? Like going short is the target. This was like manipulation.
I could have treated you better. That's crazy.
Could have treated you better. That's crazy. Yes. So you see, this was a trade that I took. I could have hold the trade till here, like this new low which was created during New York session open. Wow. All right. So I did have a lot of things for improvement. One was I had FOMO that the prices are going down and I'm not in a trade, I'm not profiting off of it, I'm not capitalizing that shit. Second, I should have hold the trade longer, maybe like take profit here or here, because obviously like with this breakup structure, it wouldn't matter, but like I would have taken profits right here. Hold the trade longer was my second improvement. And the third was look at the charts, bro. Look, like with this breakout structure, there's fair value gap which was created. Look at that, bro. Like I could have taken this trade way before. Okay, like right here, fair value gap, breakout structure, this kind of liquidity sweep, right? Liquidity sweep, breakout structure, fair value gap, fucking enter, dude. Like enter right here. I know I have to drop down to 1 minute, but that's like too much work, bro. And then stop loss, just like above. Yeah, actually above this. No, I'm thinking realistically where I would have kept my stop loss, because just like saying, oh, I would have kept my stop loss here doesn't make sense, bro, because I possibly would have like just kept it here because there's a fair value gap, and if this got inverse, then obviously the price don't want to go down. And look at that, bro. 1 is to fucking 2.58 risk to reward. How much is that? Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. So I would have technically be risking $662.5 while winning fucking $1,700.12.5, bro. But it's alright. And the real trade recap is this. So why I entered the trade. Look at this fair value gap which was created while like the price were going down, and then it kind of consolidated here right here. My thinking was prices do want to go all the way down here, because for even like on the Wow. Okay, 1 hour. You see this huge move down. That was during the Asian session. That gave me the bearish bias, right? Then, like, of course, this was like manipulation of the market start during the market start. And I was like, damn sure that prices could go down and, probably go down to London lows or maybe Asian lows right here. Asia, this is the Asian low, right? So like, okay, I'm gonna enter the trade a little late because I don't know what I was doing while this was forming. But after seeing this, like how the fair value gap was filled, and like you can see how it reacted, like it tapped into it and then it closed below, like it closed as a bearish candle, right? And then with that, this was like enough confirmation for me to go short. And I exactly went short at this close right here, while my stop loss being this. Technically, my stop loss wasn't that. My stop loss was like right here. And then I was targeting the London low, Asian low, sorry. That was my like plan, but of course it didn't go that way, cause and then later on when like these candles start forming, I move my stop loss to this, and then I switched to like right here. That was my TP. Give me a good song, dude. No, not for this one. Okay. Yeah. Mm, yeah. So I entered with like this candle, then price starting going down, but then after like coming close to this, cause like this was formed. Uh, yo, was I like too close to the camera? Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Cause like this was like a liquidity zone during like market, and you see how prices kind of like reacted off of it. I'm like, I I wanted to take profit, bro. I didn't like price came back to my break even went above it. And now okay, prices might reverse off after hitting like this liquidity zone. So I moved my star TP to here. Still a 1:2 risk to reward trade, which is very nice because this was literally my trade. Literally my trade. Okay, I took profit here. You see that little blue arrow, little blue bitch ass arrow, bro, little blue bitch ass arrow. Okay, with that, and then I should have waited, bro, like, cause within seconds, within not seconds, within minutes, the price literally came down here. Like it didn't tap like two or three pips. How much is that? Yeah, that's like 2 pips. 2 pips. I remember this, dude. 2 pips. I think that. Anyways, this was my trade. I should have held the trade longer, not just like um move my TP to this thing like right here. Second, a better entry. Okay, like this entry was, and also yeah, this kind of swept the London high. So that was also a confluence of which I took this trade. The London high was swept, it entered the fair value gap, then it dropped, which tells me price don't wanna like reverse off of here, but it wants to continue the trend. So I could have held it till here. I literally would have pissed my pants with this move up, and I would have kept my stop loss like later in the chill, like right there. I would have moved my stop loss there and could have won this, just risking less than $200. But yeah, dude, like it was a nice trade. I followed the plan, so it's alright, dude. Took a win, took a loss.
Nigga, I do not care for a thought bitch. I love my shorty, don't care if I'm toxic. She that bitch, I let her pop shit. Body so T.
Took a loss, took a win. No emotions involved. Yo, is this price actually holding shit? It's actually looking up. Okay, now I'm gonna end this video because this is a trade recap from yesterday, and I'm gonna make a new video about today's price action. Let me first delete this stuff before I end this video. This, delete that, delete that. Holy shit, bro, why am I doing this? Open the fucking object tree. Do I require this? Nope. Do I require this? Let me go back on the whenever. Do I require that? Do I require that? Nope. This is good. This is good. And there's a little bit of liquidity right here. I mean, technically not, but I might just mark it out. Even on the Robinhood. 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 So even for like on the Nasdaq today, actually not today. Today it's just like consolidating on the Asian and London markets, which is totally fine by me. I still have a bearish bias. Yeah, my bad. I'm gonna end this video and then I'm gonna make that bias on the next video. All right, peace out, guys. Uh, good job with the trade. So, peace out. Bye.